Hey guys, Mark Munster here from HW3 Jiu-Jitsu, www.heavyweightbjj.com. Check it out. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of tricks with resistance bands that I like to use for some grappling drills. You can get these resistance bands at multiple places. They're very popular with the CrossFit circuits these days. My favorite website after trial and error is ironwoodyfitness.com. You can buy a pack of these that are multi-purpose, multifunctional, different widths. You can see this one is about an inch. This is about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and they go up to 4, 6, even greater length and greater width than that for full body workouts. I highly recommend them. They're portable, they're durable. These bands particularly have been used for over 10 years, and they're showing very little signs of wear and tear. So at any rate, for grappling drills, I'm going to demonstrate a couple different options for you. This one would be wrestler's takedown. So you've probably seen a lot of those harnesses that you can buy that attach to walls, or you need another training partner to hold you back. Well, this, you don't need that. You need you, and you need a stable pole. So for me, I'm using my squat rack, just the pole of my squat rack here. And I picked up a trick from Ross Enamite. Check his website out, rosstraining.com. What we use is an old hand wrap here. Can you see that, guys? Old hand wrap for boxing, wrapped around, double knotted, and it is as secure as you're gonna need it. Okay? From there, that band is gonna be straight. You can adjust it up and down if you need it, depending on how tall you are. For a wrestler shot, I like to keep it around waist high. That way I have the option of attaching this to either my waist or to my back like a backpack, which is my preference for doing the wrestler shot. You take the 1-inch band and you're going to loop that through like this to create a harness. So right arm goes through here, left arm is going to go through here. There you have it. Okay, that's it. That's as simple as it gets.